Okay, children. So we will be doing chapter 5, geometrical shapes and pattern. From this, we have already done about lines, that is straight lines and curved lines. In the following PPT, you will be watching about plane shapes. These plane shapes are also called 2D shapes. Some of the 2D shapes are that we'll be doing are triangle, rectangle, square and circle. We will do about them. We will also do about the different sizes of the plane shape. That is, if a particular shape has different size, then also the shape remains same. So we'll be doing detail of it in our coming up PPT. Watch it carefully, dear. Okay, children. Today we will learn about the plane shape. Plane shapes are also called 2D shapes. Plane shapes are also called 2D shapes. Now look here, children. This is our first plane shape. This shape is called triangle. This is also called 2D shape. Now, let's see how many lines we need to draw a triangle. This is one line. This is a slanting line. Here comes second line. And this is our third line. So we need 3 lines to draw a triangle. That means triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. Now, see the arrow. Can you see the arrow? So, where 2 lines meet with each other, that point is called corner. So, let us see how many corners are there in a triangle. See the second arrow? So, till now, there are 2 corners. Here comes your third arrow. So, how many corners are there in a triangle? 3. So, triangle has 3 corners. Triangle has 3 corners. So, triangle is a plane shape. It is also called 2D shape. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now, children, in next slide, we will do few examples of triangle. We will see few examples of triangle. Now, children, here we will see few examples of triangle. Your first is a triangular piece of pizza. Then comes a triangular piece of cheese. Next one is your sign of danger on a triangular board. This you can see on the roadside or wherever there is electric poles. Next one is your favorite. Yes, nachos. The chips are in triangular shape. And the next one is your sandwich, cut in a triangular shape. So these are few examples of triangle. Now here comes the next plane shape. This shape is called rectangle. This plane shape is also called 2D shape. This shape is called rectangle. Now let's see how many lines we need to draw a rectangle. So, one standing line, one sleeping line, one more standing line, and one more sleeping line. So we need 4 lines to draw a rectangle. Now these 4 lines are also called sides. So we need 4 sides to draw rectangle. So we need 4 sides to draw rectangle. So rectangle has 4 sides. Now see these arrows where 2 lines meet with each other. That point is called corners. Where 2 lines meet with each other, that point is called corner. So how many corners are there in rectangle? Come on, count. Yes, 4. So there are 4 corners in a rectangle. Now, see the sides of the rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite side means sides facing each other. So, opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So, rectangle is a plane shape, also called 2D shape. It has 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle and it has 4 corners. In next slide, we will see few examples of rectangle. Now here we will see few examples of rectangle. Here is your first blackboard. Have you seen blackboard in the class? Yes. Next one is a photo frame. This is in rectangle shape. Next one is your LED TV. And the next one is books. Next one are books. This are also in rectangle shape. So these are few examples of rectangle. Okay, Chu, now you know which plane shape is this. Can you tell me? Yes, triangle. So I want you all to draw a triangle in your book. And remember, triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. After drawing triangle, you will write the spelling of triangle 2 times. Very good. Now kids, tell me which plane shape is this? Yes, rectangle. Remember kids, Rectangle has four sides. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. It also has four corners. So I want you to draw a rectangle in your notebook. After drawing rectangle, you will write the spelling of rectangle 2 times in your book. So here our next shape is plane shape called square. So this is also called 2D shape. Now let's see how many lines we need to draw a square. Now here comes your first standing line. Then comes sleeping line. Then comes one more standing line. And the next one is our sleeping line. So we need 4 lines to make a square. These 4 lines are also called sides. So square has 4 sides. Square has 4 sides. All the sides of the square are equal. All the sides of the square are equal. Now see this arrow. Where 2 lines meet with each other, that point is called corner. So how many corners are there in the square? Count. Yes. So there are 4 corners in a square. There are 4 corners in a square. Square is a plane shape, also called 2D shape. It has 4 sides. All the sides are equal. All the sides of square are equal. It has 4 corners. In next slide, we will see few examples of square. Now see, this is square. Here we will see few examples of square. Your first example is carom board. See the sides of the carom board. There are 4 sides and all the sides are equal. Next example is wall clock. All the sides of the wall clock is equal. Wall clock comes in many shapes, but here we have square shape. Next example is biscuit. See the sides of the biscuits. There are 4 sides and all the sides are equal. Next example is window. See the sides of the window. There are 4 sides and all the sides are equal. So, in square, we have 4 sides. All the sides of square are equal. And square has 4 corners. So, our next plane shape is circle. This plane shape is called circle. Let us see which line we need to make a circle. Here. So we need one curved line to make a circle. Can you see any sides? No. So there are no sides in a circle. There are no sides in a circle. Can you see any corners? No. So there are no corners in a circle. So circle is a plane shape, also called 2D shape. It is made of one curved line. It has no sides. It has no corners. In next slide, we will see few examples of circle. So here are few examples of circle. First one is your wheel. You have seen this wheel in many vehicles, even in bullock cars. All the wheels are in circle shape. Next example is pizza. See the pizza how it's round. So pizza is also in circle shape. Our next one is floating tube. You use when you go for swimming. So floating tube is also circle in shape. And next one is our pan. Your mama makes dosa in it. So pan is also in circle shape. So this were the few examples of circle. Okay kids, now tell me which plane shape is this? Yes, square. So now I want you to draw square in your notebook. After drawing square, you will write the spelling of square 2 times in your book. Now children, tell me which plane shape is this? Yes, circle. So again, draw circle in your notebook. After drawing circle, you will write the spelling of circle 2 times in your book. Okay kids, remember which plane shape is this? Yes, triangle. So, these shapes are triangle. Can you see triangles of different sizes? Yes, yeah, they are so colorful. Even if the sizes of triangle are different, the shape remains same. It is called triangle. Even if the sizes are different, it can be small, big, bigger. The plane shape will remain same because it has 3 sides and 3 corners. So, any object with 3 sides and 3 corners is called triangle. It is a plane shape or 2D shape. Now look here. Can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, rectangle. See here also different sizes of rectangle. Someone is big, someone is small. So even if the sizes differ, the plane shape is same, that is rectangle. Remember, rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle has 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. It has 4 corners. Now look here. Yes, so colorful. Which plane shape is this? Yes, square. So here also see the sizes of square. It differs from each other. It is different from each other. So even if the size of the plane shape is different, the name of the shape remains same. That is square. Square has four sides. All the sides of square are equal. It has four corners. Now look here. Guess everyone? Yes, circle. So here also the size of the circle differs. Some one is small, some circles are big. So even if the size differs, it may be small or big, the plane shape remains same, that is circle. Remember, circle has no sides and no corners.
Children, now we will solve checkpoint in course book. Okay, we will be solving checkpoint from course book. Now this is page number 80 in your course book. Can you see a flag on the left hand side in the middle of the page? And besides that, there is written number 1, match the following. Match the following. On the left hand side, there are alphabets written A, B, C, D, and for each alphabet there is one shape drawn. Now on the other side, rectangle, triangle, circle and square is written. Now what we have to do is we have to match according to the shape and we have to find out the correct answer. So A, which shape is this, children? Yes, you guessed it right. It is circle. So the correct answer is number 3. Number 3, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Next, B. Besides alphabet B, which is that shape? Tell. Yes, you all are right. It is a square. So the answer is number 4. Number 4, square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay. Now C. Which shape is this? This is rectangle. Correct. You all are so smart. Correct answer is number 1, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Last one, D. Which shape is that? Triangle. Correct. So correct answer is number 2, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Now what I want you all to do is take out your math notebook or any book will do, कोई भी book चलेगा. Open करो and I want you all to be ready with a sharpened pencil because we are going to write this in your notebook. Okay, I'm giving you all 2 minutes time. Come on, get your book and be ready with your book and your pencil. So now on the very first page you will write at the top chapter 5, C capital H-A-P-T-E-R, chapter 5. Right, teacher is waiting for you all. Good children. Then after writing chapter 5, leave one line and write course book page 80 the way I have written. C capital O U R S E B O O K, small dash, that is hyphen, course book, page PAGE space 80. Okay, so you're solving page number 80, checkpoint 1 in your notebook. Then once you wrote course book page 80, leave one line and then write checkpoint 1. Checkpoint 1. CHECKPOINT. Checkpoint 1. Now, after you have done with writing checkpoint 1, leave one line and see teacher has solved very neat work. So same way even you all have to do it. Okay, so A, so what I had told you all, A, what is the answer? Number 3. So this way you will write in your notebook A dash 3. So A is circle. Next, B. So B is square. So the answer is 4. Square. Right, children? I'm waiting. A dash 3, B dash 4. Okay. Then C. C is triangle. C is triangle. Option 1. So C dash 1. C dash 1. And the last one, D. D is triangle. D is triangle. So the answer is 2. So see how I have written D dash 2. Okay. Come on, check your answers once again. See, आपने बराबर लिखा है कि नहीं देखो. A dash 3, B dash 4, C dash 1, D dash 2. Okay, so we have solved checkpoint 1 today of course book page number 80. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Okay, little learners, I hope you all understood about the plane shapes. Again, I'm repeating: triangle, rectangle, square, and circle. So triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Rectangle has 4 sides. Their opposite sides are equal, and there are 4 corners. Square, all the 4 sides are equal. Square has 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. It has 4 corners. Circle, there are no sides and no corners. Also, we did about the different size of the shape. So triangle, if they are of different size, it doesn't matter, it will remain triangle. If rectangle is the shape and it has many sizes, then also it will remain rectangle. Same as in square and circle. Square has different sizes, then also it will remain square, and circle have different sizes, then also it will remain circle. So I hope you all understood it very well. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day, dear.